You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name in English, and also how it's pronounced in other ways, other languages like Italian, also Spanish. It's of Latin origin. Originally it has an H at the beginning. Now, Spanish, it's pronounced Adria, or Italian Adria, also Catalan, similar. In English, however, the pronunciation is more commonly, the most common pronunciation in English is as Adria. How do you pronounce it yourself? Do you pronounce it Adria? Are you from the US, Britain, an English-speaking country, or a different country? Let us know how you pronounce it and where you're from, Adria or Adria. Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.